Hi, I came across your website. I just want to give some feedback on this. Your website is so informative, and all the details a client would need is here, and I like that. And yes, your phone number is here, and there are, um, you can send a message using this, and it's so good, and it's so nice website. So now let's take a look what happens. What's happened online as far as what people in the Google search or see. Let's take a look at the customer looking for your service would see on Google and what we are looking right now. I'm going to show it to you. What we're looking right now is a ranking grid. This is a ranking grid, and you can see you are number one here on top, right here, right, this area, which is your Google profile location. That around that, it drops off quickly, and here, down here, these are the cities that, it drops off. And one of the suggestions we are giving business on this right now is to put another profile or another website in another corner of the city that you want to grow into. So these are the cities that you're going to grow into if you want to grow into. Let's take a look. Let's take a quick look. Um, wait, about your ranking. So you are J and K. Let's take a look. Oh, that's too far. So J and J at three services, you are here. As you can see, you're at the 29th in position. This where you're ranking overall in the entire area. So above you are the another companies who also offers the same as you do. So you know what we are thinking or what we can suggest, like I said before, is another website and another business Google profile. We're going to send you an example of a website that we built as a test model that we could brand for you and help you put up that we could put up another profile to get you more jobs or more work to do. Now, if you are interested, please let us know. Thank you.